What's up guys, Shabar here, back with another new awesome video. And in this video, I'm going to be talking a little bit more about our email marketing system. Because a lot of people have been asking about email marketing and how can they do email marketing with our system. So like that being said guys, let's get started. So as you can see right here on a website, I'm on a membership website that I just built with Quack Builder. Okay, and this is how it looks. First we have an explanation video of the time going on, when the sale is gonna end, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, it's a nice website, good stunning website. Okay, and if I click here and click the preview, this is how a customer would see this website. Okay, so as you can see, it have a video and you can play it, and I'm not going to play that right now, but they can watch that video, and then once they watch the video, excuse me, hopefully, then they can decide if they want to purchase this product or not. Okay, and this is a membership website, so as you can see, they can come right here and they can click login and they can log in to this particular website. Okay, and then they get access to the members area. So if I go back to the builder, as you can see, this is where I build this website, so I can change anything that I want to change and so on and so forth. Okay, if I want a background, I can put a background and so on and so forth. Okay, and everything is just one click, drag and drop, and you're ready to rock. Okay, so if I want to save this right here, I would just save this, and then once I preview this website, as you can see, the changes is there. Okay, so basically Quack Builder is an easy to use drag and drop website builder that allowed you to build any kind of website, sales funnels, e-commerce store, etc, etc. Alright, so if I go back to the builder right here, as you can see up here we have a tab that called email and autoresponder. Okay, so basically this is where you're gonna send your customer your email. Okay, this is exactly how you do it. So you're gonna click this right here, say email and autoresponder. It's gonna say email and automation, excuse me, hopefully. And it's basically an autoresponder. That's why I say autoresponder all the time. So, but this is what it will call in the back end of Quack Builder, where you build your website, email and automations. Okay, so once you click that on the left, you're gonna see some option. Okay, so what you can do, you can basically go through all these tabs and you will be able to set up your email marketing system, and then you will be able to blast email to all your customers. Okay, you can create lists. You can create lists and subscribers. So basically you can add subscriber manually, or you can just create a form using Quack Builder system, and then once they sign up, once your customer sign up, you can send them email. For example, if this is the website that it is actually a membership website, so anyone like put their information in. So for example, if they watch this video and then be like, okay, this is interested, need this product, and they click right here, as you can see what comes up, there's a form comes up. So if they put their name and their email in here, it will come in the back end right here of your autoresponder into Quack Builder. Okay, and then you can send them emails and so on and so forth. Okay, all right, so like that being said, on the left right here, you can create your campaign. So if you click right here, you can say is, as you can see, say blast email campaigns to your subscribers. Okay, so once they fill the form out, they become a subscriber of your product, of your website, of your services, and then you can be able to blast them your email. So you can click start a campaign if you want. And then when you click start a campaign, you will give your campaign a name, and these are all the steps right here that you're gonna have to complete to blast your email. So you're gonna give it a name, which we right here right now, and then the type. If I click it, I have to give it a name before I can go to the type. But you go name, then type, then you're gonna create a design, and then you're gonna say you're gonna go to recipient, then you're gonna go to summary, and then you can send it. Excuse me, hopefully. All right, so for example, I'm just gonna come back for a bit. So I just gonna walk you through these settings before I go ahead and try to create a campaign. All right, so once you get to the email marketing, if it's the first time you click in emails and automations, this is how it would look. Okay, and then once you set everything up, it will change eventually. Okay, so this is just to welcome you guys, to let you guys know that you can blast your email and so on and so forth. This is just the information. All right, and once you start to blast your email, everything's gonna change. Okay, so automation is basically, if the first time you click in automation, this is where you're gonna create your automation flow. Okay, so you can just create it emails. So for example, for day 1, day 2, day 3, and you can just delay them. Okay, so you can say anyone sign up, you can just create an email for that and say immediately send them this email. Okay, and the autoresponder, hopefully, will automatically send them that email once they signed up. You can create another email and say, okay, day 2, I need you to send them this email, and hopefully, and as the days goes by, the next day it will send them that particular email. Okay, and 3, 4, 5, 6, that's how you can set up all your days. Okay, you can set up all your days, and the automation, hopefully, will send those email according to the days that you set up. Okay, and you don't have to delay the emails by days. You can delay them by hours, you can delay them by minutes, and so on and so forth. Okay, so you set it up, you tell the automation, the autoresponder, what you want to do, and it will automatically send those emails out as you wish. Okay, all right, so next is the list and subscription. Okay, so as I told you before, you can add your lists by bulk, or you can add them one. Okay, you can add them one by one, or you can just get your list from other website, CSV file, hopefully. You can just create a CSV file, and you can upload bulk list in here. Okay, so what if you just get started out, you don't have much, hopefully, you don't have much subscriber? You can just come here, and then you can just click here, and you can add them one. So you can say, all right, if you're gonna add them one by one, you just say name, you put them their email right here, and then you're gonna put them on a list. Okay, right now I only have a default list, but say for example you did not create a list, you can just click right here and say I want to create a list. Give your list a name, and then once you give your list a name, once you click put their name and email in, and then you click list, it will populate right here, and then you can choose what list you want them to go on. For example, just let me create an easy list. Let's say VIP, and then say save, and as you can see, if I click right here, I can select VIP list. Okay, so you can say name, email, choose the list. Okay, so default, and now I have VIP because I just created that list right here. Okay, and if you want to import a bulk of email that you have, you can just click right here and say import. You can choose the list that you want them to go on, default or VIP, and then you can just say import list, and then you have to upload a CSV file right here. Okay, so you have to choose the CSV file, agree to the terms, and then you can import bulk of email. Okay, all right, so that's how that works. Okay, and then once you import your list, you can just go to list right here, and it will show you all the lists you have. So I just created the VIP list, so you would see whatever list you put them in, the number would go up. So if you have, so for example, 1,000 people, you will see 1,000 people right here on your list. If you have 2,000 and so on and so forth, you will see the amount right here. And as you send email, you're gonna see like the open rate, who open your email, who click your email, and so on and so forth, like who click a link and so on and so forth. It will actually tell you what's going on in your email. Okay, all right, so you can go through these. You already know what these mean. The unsubscribers, the person that unsubscribed from your list, and so on and so forth. Okay, an email template. So basically what we do, we make a bunch of template for you guys that you guys can customize, so you do not, I repeat, do not have to start your email campaign from scratch. Okay, as you can see, we make beautiful design for you guys that you guys can just choose and just, you know, customize it just like how you would customize a website in Quack Builder. And you know, once you finish, you can just blast that email and it will look beautiful and stunning. Okay, so once your customers see that email, they will be like, okay, this email is really beautiful. You know what I mean? They know it's not spam in any kind of way. Okay, so if I click this one, this is how you the email will look, and you will just, you know, customize it. Like you put your logo here, you know, you just change the image, title, change everything. Okay, and please keep in mind, if you do not want some of the stuff, you can delete whatever you do not want and keep what you want and just customize it. Okay, so as you can see, I can just click start campaign if I want to use this email template. Okay, if I want to send this email, I just choose this template, customize it, and just blast it out. Okay, so we make everything easy for you guys. So whenever you come and try to create a campaign, everything is just 1, 2, 3, boom, send, and that's it. Okay, so yeah, this is the email marketing. We call it email marketing. It have a lot of name to it. You have email and autoresponder, because we call it email and autoresponder because we have them both into one. As you can see, you can create email and you can create automation. So automation like autoresponder. Okay, yeah, so basically guys, you can also even create your own template and save them on this side. Okay, but for now, excuse me, hopefully this is the email marketing system. Okay, and right off the bat, you will have beautiful design, so your customer, whenever you send your email, your customer will know that it's a legit business, and they will click through your email and buy your products and services. Okay guys, so like that being said, I'm gonna wrap this video up. Look forward for more video, because we are here to help you out. We are here to help take your business to the next level. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, click that post notification bell. Also, excuse me, hopefully, also share this video with someone that you think this information will help. Okay guys, like that being said, thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. Visit quackbuilder.com if you need your website to design, if you want to build like a sales funnels or any kind of website for your business. Just visit quackbuilder.com. If you need web design, just visit quackbuilder.com/web-design. Okay, and we will build your website for you. We will set it up, build it for you, and hand it over to you. Okay, so you can make all the changes that you want, upload products and services, and yeah, basically that's it. So if you want to take your business to the next level, contact us quackbuilder@gmail.com, or you can just visit our website quackbuilder.com. Alright guys, so thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next one. Peace.